Imagine you're outside, not in your backyard, but outside the world itself, floating above Earth on a spacewalk. The planet spins below, silent and beautiful as you work tethered to your ship. Suddenly, a jolt, a broken clip. Your lifeline slips away and you begin to drift. At first nothing changes, then the ship shrinks, the lights dim and you realize you're moving away slowly but relentlessly. Panic rises but your training kicks in. You call for help, voice trembling but the distance grows. The silence of space is now terrifying. You're a speck, alone, separated from everything you know. The ship continues on its path, you continue on yours, powerless to change course. The laws of physics are now your enemy. You'll drift in a straight line forever unless something intervenes. Earth spins below, breathtaking and distant, growing smaller with every second. You are lost. Lost in a way no human has ever been lost before. The void is endless, and you are utterly alone. Instinct says panic, but you force yourself to breathe slow. Every breath counts. Your suit is now your world air water and protection from deadly extremes. Oxygen is precious. The display inside your helmet ticks down, a countdown you can't stop. You're a diver with no surface, floating in a vacuum where nothing slows you down. The push that set you adrift gave you a velocity you can't undo. You orbit Earth, alone, your only link the radio. Voices from the ship and mission control reach you, worried, desperate but powerless. You answer but the distance grows, and the signal may soon fade. The ship is warm and safe, you are a castaway in an invisible ocean. As you drift farther, the silence deepens. Soon you may hear nothing at all. Is rescue possible? On your back is safer, a tiny jetpack for emergencies. With careful bursts of nitrogen you can try to steer back, but fuel is limited. Every move must be perfect. Too much or too little, and you're lost for good. The ship is a moving target, racing at thousands of kilometers per hour. Your crewmates scramble for a plan. Turning the ship is slow, risky, and burns precious fuel. Every maneuver is a gamble. One mistake could doom you both. Even if they reach you, the final grab is dangerous. One wrong touch, and you spin away. Finding you in the vastness of space is like finding a grain of sand on every beach. The hope for rescue is real, but fragile. One miscalculation, and it's gone. The clock is ticking, and the odds are against you. In space, even hope is a delicate thing. If rescue fails, you become a spectator to the universe. As you tumble, Earth, sun, and stars spin past, each more beautiful and distant than the last. The planet is a glowing jewel, the sun a blinding fire, the stars sharp and countless. The Milky Way stretches across the sky, a river of diamonds. You feel small, an outsider in a cosmos beyond comprehension. The beauty is overwhelming, but so is the terror of isolation. You are a silent witness, not a participant spinning through the void. The universe is your theater, but you are its only audience. Earth, sun, stars, over and over, the last movie you'll ever see. The silence is absolute. You are a ghost among the stars. The oxygen display counts down, minutes, then seconds. As it runs out, confusion sets in, your mind clouds, and you feel strangely calm. Hypoxia takes over. You drift into unconsciousness within seconds. There's no explosion, your suit holds, protecting you from the vacuum. The end is quiet, asphyxiation, not violence. Your body is flash frozen, preserved in the cold darkness. No bacteria, no decay, just a silent, frozen statue orbiting Earth. For years, decades, maybe centuries you remain, a monument to exploration. Micrometeoroids and radiation will slowly wear you down, but for a long time you are perfectly preserved, a silent traveler in the void. The journey continues even after life ends. Could you ever return to Earth? If your orbit decays, you'll fall back, but not softly. Atmospheric drag slowly pulls you down, spiraling toward the planet. As you re-enter, friction heats your suit to thousands of degrees. The suit burns away, your body incinerates, becoming a streak of light. For a moment you are a shooting star. Someone might wish on you, never knowing. It's a poetic end, not a hero's return but a flash in the sky. Your atoms scatter, rejoining the atmosphere. Lost in space, you become part of Earth again, a burial in the sky. It's a reminder of our fragility, our dependence on home. Out here we are ghosts among the stars, and it makes you cherish the small blue world below.